So the OnePlus 13, bit of a banger, one of the best all-around smartphones you can bag yourself right now, but the OnePlus 15 is just about to launch, so frankly, it's going to get right in the bin. And I've actually been testing out the OnePlus 15 these past few days, taking that camera for a serious test drive around a very moist Prague, as well as back here in Byyyeeeeee. Unfortunately, for various overly complicated embargo reasons, can't actually show you the OnePlus 15 right now. It is securely stashed in my pants, and there it shall remain. I can't really discuss anything about the specs or anything either, but what I can do is share with you all of the photos that I've shot with the OnePlus 15 these past few days. So I'm going to go ahead and do exactly bloody that. Now, OnePlus themselves, the massive teasers that they are, have already revealed a few little tidbits of information about the OnePlus 15. So we know, for instance, it's powered by that Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Comes, of course, with Oxygen OS 16 slapped on there. And we've already seen a fair bit of the design as well, including this rather lovely Sandstorm model. And while OnePlus hasn't explicitly revealed any information about the camera hardware slapped on the back end of the OnePlus 15, we do know that its 5-year Hasselblad partnership has sadly come to an end. So now all of the photos shot with the OnePlus 15 will be processed by the company's own Detail Max engine. Now, on OnePlus's online blog, head honcho Pete Lau has banged on a little bit about this. He basically said the Detail Max engine was designed from the ground up to deliver the clearest and most real photos on a smartphone. Apparently it harnesses the full potential of computational imaging to present scenes as they truly are, without over-beautification or distortion. The moment you zoom in on a photo, you'll understand why I'm confident you'll love the results. So basically what he appears to mean is don't expect an iPhone-style oversaturation of the image to try and brighten it all up to horrific levels and absolutely ruin the contrast. Now, I can't actually critique these images at all I can do is present them for now until my in-depth OnePlus 15 review can go live. And of course, thanks to the helpful watermarks slapped on every photo, you can see a bit more about how each image was captured, the equivalent focal length, all that kind of shenanigans. Try to get a good variety of images shot both at day and at night, and sometimes in really gloomy environments. And yes, I had a skinful for quite a lot of these night shots as well, so a true test of the image stabilisation, etc. But anyway, I'll stop wanging on pointlessly in the background. Here's some lovely plinky plonky jazz style music to enjoy with this sort of photo slideshow extravaganza. And there you have it, my lovelies. That in a tasty wee nutshell is a bunch of photo samples snapped on the OnePlus 15. My full review will be going live once the OnePlus 15 is actually officially globally launched, so make sure you smash subscribe, ding the ruddy heck out of that notifications bell to be the first to know when all that bollocks goes live. And have yourselves a ruddy, wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everybody, love you!